All right, good morning. Here we are heading in, coming from the trailhead at Kennedy Meadows, going into Relief Reservoir for an overnighter. Got Steve, Robert, Tommy, and Billy. Got the cousins, all the cousins. So this should be an awesome time. We're looking forward to it. Gonna go catch some fish up at the lake. Maybe cook some fish tonight. It's gonna be good.
Like they figured out how to charge states to like levitate objects finally. So they're getting to that like, how did they make the pyramids? Oh, they like, that's
Taking a
one.
picture of me.
Oh, I'm getting you, Tommy, on a video. All right. Gonna take Tommy into the backcountry.
It's like the most remote bar in the world. You get free beers when you go there.
Really?
They bring carpets to line the front of the fucking motorhome. We all are into nature. I only like doing that when I was doing like Burning Man and festivals and stuff.
You have a bunch of spots that are pretty cool to me. I was looking it up. There are some like I want to do the American River again. That was fun.
What do you mean, like rafting it?
Yeah, I want to do a whitewater raft soon once I get back into shape. I can't swim anymore. I found out. It's like it's not like you can hide them either. As soon as
We got water.
That was a long way down to go get that water. I'm thinking that's at least 300 vertical feet, maybe more, in an eighth of a mile. Good job, guys.
wow, it's time. Let's see if that gummy does what you say it does.
All right, day 2 hiking out. Yesterday was a little shorter than what we wanted. But had a great night. Lots of stars, cowboyed under the stars. And we're going to do some fishing on the way out. Should be a great time.
I don't know how you do it, John. Go down here that fast. This one also fucking swallowed it. Jesus, things.
Did it?
It's crazy.